Hello friends, it's Miss Pillow here. I'm still in my house and I hope you're safe with your families at your house. I miss you and I had some friends that want to say hello. Say hi to Miss Bunny, hop hop. Say hi to Squirrely. And how about you say hello to the robin? Last week, I told you a story about Goldilocks and the three bears and how there were three forest friends that helped Goldilocks to do the right thing. Today, I'd like you to dance with me. We're going to do three dances. The bunny hop, 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 hop. The gray squirrel dance, get ready to shake your tail. And rockin' robin, I hope you like rock and roll. So get ready, we're going to start with the bunny hop. On your feet. Everybody, can you start hopping like a bunny? And the other.
Put your left foot out
and do the bunny hop. Say hop, hop, hop.
Dance is new creation.
Pause, up and
it's
down.
a new sensation.
Do the bunny hop. Say it hop, hop, hop. Shake your bunny tail. Give it a shake. And do the bunny hop. Hop, hop, hop.
Put your left foot
Put out your foot.
Put your right foot
Your
out.
other foot.
Do the bunny hop.
Say hop, hop, hop. Let me see those paws.
It's a new sensation. Do the bunny hop.
Say hop, hop, hop. Shake your tail.
And the fun.
Tail.
Under sun.
And do the bunny hop. Hop, hop, hop. Good job, friends. Let's dance with Squirrely. Gray squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Gray squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Wrinkle up your little nose, put a nut between your toes. Gray squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Let's all dance the cha-cha. Gray squirrel, shake your bushy tail. You sing. Gray squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Wrinkle up your little nose, put a knot between your toes. Gray squirrel, shake your bushy tail. Everybody dance and say cha-cha-cha. Great job, friends! Hey friends, can you flap your wings with Mr. Robin? Good job! Can you twist? And hop! Twist! Everybody flap! Rockin' Robin! Go Rockin' Robin! Really wanna rock tonight! Tweet! Can you flap? Big arms! Twist! Go! Everybody flap! Rockin' Robin! Go Rockin' Robin! Really wanna rock tonight! Now can you flap and dance around the room? Oh, that was awesome! Good job, friends! You made Mr. Robin happy. We sure had fun dancing with you today. Can you say goodbye to my forest friends? Bye, Miss Bunny. Bye, Squirrely. Bye, Rockin' Robin. Bye, friends. I hope to see you soon. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye. Give a smile and blink your eyes. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye, friends.